Greetings citizens and welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Brittany if we have not met before, and today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing for the month of February. If you do not know what Boxycharm is, I will leave all the information down below, but it's a beauty subscription service where each month they send 4 to 5 full-size products for you to test and try and love, and this is the month for February, so that's what this is. But anyways, that'll all be down below, though I suspect that anybody who's actually here right now has already seen Boxycharm or is subscribed to Boxycharm and just wants spoilers, so I'll just quickly jump ahead and get to those spoilers. But before I do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and join the Brat Pack and hit that bell to see more videos that I put out. And I think it's just time that we go ahead and get into this unboxing. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see what I got in the February Boxycharm box, just keep on watching. Orange juice out of a wine glass because I'm fancy but sober on a third Wednesday night. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this box. Okay, so the first thing we have in the box is the card. It shows the theme, which is adore, because of, you know, Valentine's Day in February, and it's the month of love, and it's, you know, the birth month of all those November babies. Not the birth month, but the month that your parents got pregnant with you if you are a Scorpio. Anyways, typically it has the prices and stuff on the back, but they are not on the card this time, so hopefully they're in the box. Otherwise, I will have all the pricing listed down below because I wouldn't be able to tell you during the video if they don't have it in the card, so let's move on. Okay, we'll start with this big one right here on the top. So these here are from the brand EVIO Skin, and it looks like they're doing a collaboration with a brand called Aurora Cannabis. So they are refreshing cleansing hemp wipes, and they're made with cannabis sativa seed oil. That's interesting. So they're just a cleansing wipe. It says it's for anti-fatigue, and you just rub it on your face and you don't need to rinse it, and then you have it on your face. It takes off your makeup and stuff. So I don't use as many wipes anymore. I won't say I use none, but I am trying to do my best to limit the amount of wet wipes that I use because it's not good for the environment. So I have been opting for a balm more often than not, but I am glad to have a pack on hand for when I do use them, because occasionally I do. So I will give these a try. I can't tell you how much they are because the card isn't here, but most people do use wipes, so it's not a terrible thing to have in the box. Maybe a balm would have been a better choice just because I know a lot of people do care about the eco-friendly situation that's, you know, I'm not going to get into it. I don't want to talk about anything like that, but wipes, they're in the box. So if you got it, then you got it. And if you didn't, then you don't. And that's the that on that. Moving on. The next thing from the box is right here. So this is from the brand Kate Somerville. It is their high performance reshaping serum. And this is actually one that we got to choose. There was like a customization item in the box as usual. And it was between this and eyeshadow palette and something else. I knew I didn't want the eyeshadow palette because I own just far too many eyeshadow palettes. So I went with the other two items to see what was cruelty-free. And I chose this one right here. So let's see what it's supposed to do. This is supposed to visibly refresh and renew skin as it firms, soothes, and hydrates, which is all I want with my 31-year-old skin. So I'm happy to have this, and I know that Kate Somerville is not a cheap brand, so again, the price will be up on the screen. But that's a pretty good thing to get in the box, and it is cruelty-free, which is a huge plus. And by the way, the wipes are cruelty-free as well, I believe. I know that I saw that they're vegan. I will look, and everything will be down below whether or not it's cruelty-free. It does say vegan, but it doesn't say cruelty-free, but that doesn't mean it's not. That just means it's not on the packaging. So if you want to know the details on that, go ahead and check down below, because I only use cruelty-free items on my channel. So if that's something that's important to you, down below we'll have those details. Okay, the next thing I see in the box is right here, and this is something that I don't know what this is. So this is from the brand CIATÉ London, and it is the Everyday VACAY Coconut Setting Powder. That's new. I've seen a couple of videos opening and unboxing the Boxycharms because I got mine a little bit late in the month, so I was excited, and I didn't see this in any variations. It's a little freaking setting powder. I am a little nervous just because I haven't had my eye issue, which if you're new here, I was having an allergic reaction on the skin around my eye since October. And I've had an attack as recent as January, so it lasted a really long time. But I haven't had one since cutting out the scented setting powder that I believe is the culprit. So scented setting powders do make me a little nervous, and this says it's coconut, so I wonder if it is scented. I don't see anything on here that says that there's a scent. I just want to be careful. But let's go ahead and let me see how it feels, because I do love setting powder. I use it every day on my under eyes. I do have plenty, but like, can't tell if I smell my hands or this powder. Okay, well, I got that everywhere. Oh, it's sort of, you know what it sort of smells like to me is like cocoa butter, which is interesting, but either way, I'm happy to try this. I do know that CIATÉ is a cruelty-free brand because I use it, and I've never used this product, so I will be giving it a chance. It feels really soft, so that's something cool to try. It's always nice to get setting powder. It's nice to get the things that you use often so you don't have to repurchase them, and I use setting powder a lot, so if you want an update on this stuff, just check down below. Check my Instagram. It's Bradderstein, just like here. I post like what I use and what I'm liking on there. So if you want to know, go ahead and check that out. Check it outside. How about that? You know, I don't know what that was. It's 2020 and I'm 31. I don't know what that was. Okay, the next thing in the box is this guy right here, which is from First Aid Beauty, which I do like First Aid Beauty. I have used moisturizers and things from them in the past. So what is this? So these are the First Aid Beauty Radiance pads. It says it's to tone and firm and tighten. No, exfoliate, tone, and brighten. Close enough, I guess. I am excited to try these. It's something that I've never tried before, and in one of the videos that I watched, Andrea something, I will link her channel down below. She said that she really, really likes these and that she uses these all the time and that they're really good for like tightening up the pores and stuff. I believe she said you only want to use these a couple times a week and they're not an everyday thing. So I will put that information down below after I look into it to find out the price. But I know First Aid Beauty is cruelty-free also, and I'm really excited to give them a try because I'm not using a toner currently. It sucks that they're individual pads, but I mean, it is what it is. So I am excited to try them. If you have tried these, let me know down below what you think. I'm excited to give them a whirl because overall I have liked what I have used by that brand. I do wish I knew how much it was. I don't, but I know typically First Aid Beauty is around the more expensive in terms of things. You know, it kind of expensive is all subjective. It's probably in the $20 to $40 range, so it's definitely like the price of this box. So if you liked it and you wanted it, you get it in this box. Everything else would basically be free. That's kind of the point I'm trying to make. Anyway, the last item in the box is something I'm really, really excited for, which if you've been here before, you already know that what is my favorite thing to get in subscription services? Brushes, because you know what I hate to buy? Brushes. So let's check them out. Oh my gosh. I thought for sure these were going to be Luxie because Luxie is the brand that I thought for sure these were going to be Luxie brushes because Luxie is the brand that Boxycharm typically uses, but no, dude, look, it's ALAMAR cosmetic brushes. ALAMAR Cosmetics is owned by I don't know if she's an influencer, but I know that she's a makeup artist. Her name's Gabby, and I know that she's friends with Kathleen Lights, and we've gotten a couple things from them in the past. Their blush palette is, I think, the first blush product I've ever hit pan on because it's stunning, and in the summertime I use it constantly. I have had it put away because it is currently cold and I'm using different shades of blush, but in the summer, whew, let me show it to you. Where's my ALAMAR blush palette? Really though, where's my ALAMAR blush palette? Okay, I had to dig for it. This is the palette that I'm talking about right here. We got it in a Boxycharm last year, and it's that shade in the center right there that I have hit pan on in the center. And I actually am gonna just toss a little on right now with this brush. This is the type of brush that I like to use for blush. As you can see, it's sort of like at an angle and like tapered. And also, just to note, this brush right here, this it says it's the bronzer brush. I don't know if you can see, but it's got a very interesting pattern in the bristles. But anyway, let's go ahead and put some blush on my cheeks just because I want to test out this brush, and also because I haven't used this blush in a while and I love it. That was the most froggy sounding voice ever. Okay, let's throw on some blush. Oh, I love this blush. I'm pulling this out. I'm gonna start using it. I think this pink could still be good even though it's colder than it was when I used it before, but that is it right there. That is the brush. I am so excited that we got these because I've been liking things from that brand. I wanted to try their brushes and I had no idea they were going to be in the box, so that is a plus. So anyways, guys, that's everything I got in this month's box. I will put the price on the screen right here so you can know the overall retail value. And that, my friends, is much more than the price of the box. So if you wanted a subscription service that had makeup and skincare and you wanted a discounted price, this is the way that I like to go. This is my favorite subscription service and I have never been let down. This is a good box. I don't think it's my No, you know, I was gonna say it's not my favorite, but I'm pretty happy with it. It's less makeup stuff than usual. All we have makeup-wise is the setting powder, but I don't really mind that because, like, I have a lot of makeup and I could really use some skincare. I don't have a nighttime serum right now, so I'm excited to use this. I don't have a toner right now, so I'm excited to use that. I'm always excited for brushes, so this is a good box to me. Let me know down below if you got a different box. I know I've seen many different variations of this. A lot of this stuff I haven't seen in other people's boxes, so I'd be very curious to know what it is you got. And I hope that you like this video. It's going up as a bonus video on a Thursday. I actually have 2 videos going up on the same day, which is very unlike me, but I also filmed a really, really, really fun Valentine's Day look. Just a hint, it's my first time ever trying special effects makeup. Oh my god. So I'm either gonna upload it on Thursday with this one or wait until Friday and actually upload it on Valentine's Day. But I haven't really decided how I want to do that yet. So make sure to watch that one. I will link it, so I'd love for you to watch it. And anyway, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and I just hope to see you in my next video. Okay.